Assalamu alaikum. I am Shafiul Mahmoud Partho.
I am Noreen Alumnin.
I am Masuk Khan.
And this is Sanjita Sarah Jennifer. Our paper is a review paper on IoT and AIoT. Technology is ever changing, and the evolution of science and technology is taking a new leap beyond our thinking, making our life much more simple, easier, and efficient. For our review paper, we have discussed the evolution of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, making revolutionary changes in the industry. AI is training the machines with different data so that it understands its environment, learn how to make rational decisions under different circumstances, think like human and act like humans. IoT, on the other hand, refers to the billions of physical devices that are connected to the internet, collecting and sharing data. Therefore, from people to machine connection, we now have machine to machine connection. Implementing artificial intelligence in Internet of Things, that is AIoT, opened up uncountable doors for innovation and research where there is no stopping or slowing down.
As we already know about IoT and AIoT, we get to know that in many sectors this synergy was applied. Many algorithms of AI with the mechanism of IoT, many sectors had already been improved. Many difficult features were included through the combination of AI and IoT. Scientists, researchers, and developers are trying to improve various sectors with this since early 2000. Self-driving cars, face recognition, and emotion detection system had been imported into many devices like door automation, smartphone, smart house, etc. had been modified with the help of AIoT. Also, there are many other services with AIoT modification that are going on year through the year and still have been improving.
If we want to review the recent advancements of IoT and AIoT, we must mention IoHT, that is Internet of Healthcare Things. IoHT includes AIoT-based medical services and sensoring gadgets. Some mention-worthy gadgets are Cardia, which records circadian rhythm and detects if the person is having atrial fibrillation. There is also La Roche-Posay UV Sense by L'Oreal that notifies of high UV radiation. Edge computing is another newest addition to IoT that is minimizing the burden of cloud server and makes data processing faster. Although 5G is not readily available and widespread everywhere, it is offering lower latency and higher bandwidth in data transmission.
Now, starting off a new technology and its implementation does not come without any issues or challenges. The most concerned open issue in this field is privacy and security. IoT and AIoT have many layers where data is sent and received, but still not all the layers are protected entirely. So, implementation of this technology among public creates concerns as it uses public and confidential data. Also, data management is still an issue because there are huge amount of data to manage and process, and this also raises questions about the energy consumptions, efficiency, and cost. These issues are yet to be completely solved.
IoT and AIoT are both associated with modern day technologies. For example, deep learning, cloud computing, IoT architecture hierarchy, complex AI algorithms, and such. So we could not provide in-depth discussion through our paper, but we manifested a generalized overview of IoT and AIoT in our paper, so that anyone without any prior idea about these can acquire a non-technical synopsis of IoT and AIoT.